Notion AI costs extra on top of Notion itself. After using it for months, here's whether that's actually worth it. Summarizing long notes / meeting docs instantly. Drafting first-pass outlines inside your existing pages. Autofill for databases, real-time, saved on repetitive entry. Slower and less capable than just using ChatGPT separately. Limited context, doesn't see your whole workspace at once. You're paying extra for convenience, not raw capability. ChatGPT Plus, $20 per MO, more powerful, separate tab. Notion AI, extra per seat cost, but zero app switching. The value is staying in flow, not the AI being smarter. Teams already living inside Notion daily. People who lose momentum switching between apps. Not worth it if you rarely open Notion. Skip it if you already pay for ChatGPT and don't mind tab switching. Get it only if in-app convenience is genuinely worth the premium. Test the free trial before committing to the add-on. I'll be reviewing more AI tools honestly every week. Subscribe so you don't waste money finding out the hard way. Link to my full AI tool stack in the description.